Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Okay, for Philippines, mabuhay. Yeah. Okay, first time I say this word. Okay, so all right. Okay, so today what I want to share is today I want to share with you a story of what of how the product can speak. Okay, why I say that? Because what? Because last week, last few days, okay, I suddenly received my girlfriend's mother's call. All right, she called me what? She told me what? Because that day, before that, I ever try to give her one or two bottles of the what? Freedom. Freedom, you guys know, right? The blue bottle of aloe vera. Okay, if you guys don't know, you must go and ask what your upline. What is that? Okay, a super good product of what? Because I heard Dato say before last time his what his knee his knee okay pain. Okay, so when he drink this one bottle straight away recover. Okay, so I know this a lot of old person. Okay, they have this kind of problem. Then I straight away I give my girlfriend's mother. Okay, so after she drank okay, that day she called me very excited early in the morning. She told me, she said what? She said, hey Kok Sun, you know what? Just now I went to UTC which government office place okay. She dare not go into the lift. That's why he took the staircase. Okay, she go out then the person ask her to go down again, and then go out again, go down again, up and down, up and down, up and down, until like almost 12 levels. She said. Also, her knee never feel any pain. This is a super good news. Okay, and then she very excited. She told me what last time she in the house she want to keep the house clean she want to go upstairs only one staircase. Also she will feel like aya very pain, very pain. Okay, now I got no more pain. So she very excited, and then she what she do? She asked me to bring two more bottles to her house. All right, and then I also feel that I late already. I never record the call. And when I go until her house, right? Okay, so what I do a very smart thing, which is I leverage on what? Remember what the 5 step Dato teach us? Our seafood teach us. Okay, one of the step is we need to leverage all our tools and then our testimony. Okay, the power of leverage this testimony is the influencing power is super good because of why I go there and then I think of I straight away I open my Facebook and then I do the live on the spot and then I interview my girlfriend's mother. All right, and then she talked in the live. After I interview her in the live, right? She gave the testimony. The power of social media plus the power of testimony combined together. Boom! What happened? Okay, that few days I received a lot of order. Okay, keep on ask for the freedom. They want to buy the freedom. Okay, a lot of people their house that have their old grandma or grandpa or mother or father. Okay, they have this kind of problem. They also want to buy the product. Okay, so then that few days, okay, I straight away only sell that one. Okay, I straight away ask for Dato for more stock. Right? Okay, so I ask for our seafood for more stock, and then all right, okay, this is what this is the power of our product. Our product is super good. We need to leverage our product. We need to use the influencing power. And some when our product is very good for our customer, what our customer will do? They will automatically go and share with others. They cannot stop themselves to share. Okay, go out there and share. My girlfriend's mother go out and share for everybody. All her neighbor suddenly want to buy. Ask me to come. Want to buy more and more things from me. And then one more thing is okay. After a few days, I still receive a call from my girlfriend's mother again. Hey, what else? This time, early in the morning, she said what? She got a relative. Okay, she interested to buy our product and asked me to go to their house. And then what happened? This one very important. Okay, why? This time, what is the problem? The problem is her relative husband her relative's husband's brother, okay, have the problem of the what the leg the all the her his leg already like those diabetes leg all already how to say 烂了是怎样讲 okay, got the all the injured okay, cannot recover, all right. And then and then what happened, okay? That day, I remember I got attend one system day. That's why I tell you guys, the system day is super important. Not only teppanyaki system day, also you need to go in, okay? Because what? This system day saved my life. You know what? Because of this system day, all right, okay, I very professional. Because that day, Evelyn, I want to thank you, Evelyn, to share that the product of the product knowledge, and then she invited one of the professional who help people to wash their injured skin, okay, all right, and then she can save a lot of people legs, and then I know what to give them to eat, and then how to wash, and then because of this, I can give a very professional advice. They have a very big confidence. I show the testimony some more, all right, and this time, what happened? Okay, they straight away ask me if consume whole month, how much I need to how much need to buy. I straight away calculate everything, and 1 month, okay, the total sales is 2,000 over. They straight away buy from me. Suddenly from there, I create 2 or more CC from my testimony. You know, okay, this is the power of our product, which can speak. They can speak for us. They can talk, you know. Our product got mouth one, can talk one, right? Okay, so please, okay, remember, okay, we must confident to all our product, and we must be very smart how to leverage on our product, okay? So in this year, I'm very excited because what? This is the whole year for me to get my CBM, all right? And then definitely I will get my CBM this year. And the best thing of this year is we have MCO again. Although last year, okay, I missed out the chance, okay, I never joined yet. But this year, I'm super excited. And today, I'm very full of my Zoom appointment. Nothing can stop us, even though MCO. If we want to success, all right, there's no reason for us. We need to find a solution. Nothing can block us. If something block us, we find the solution to solve it. All right. So if last time, right, okay, before MCO, okay, we need. I go offline. I go out there every day. I go out. Then suddenly lockdown. Okay, I say nothing can stop us. Straight away, I make a call, arrange a lot of Zoom meeting, and then the power of social media also attract a lot of people and come, you know. This is the law of attraction. Everything I do, I attract the people come, and then got people also because of in the social media, she saw what I'm doing, like very big impact. They also come and ask, what are you doing? Okay, they want to know my business, what I'm doing. Okay, and they want to arrange Zoom meeting with me. Okay, today whole day, I never feel tired. I talk in the Zoom. I talk for so many hours. I still remain at what? At peak state. All right. I believe that everybody okay, and here okay, every day if you can remain the peak state like now okay, I just only have my dinner just now. Okay, you need to remain your peak state. Okay, I believe every day if you remain the peak state, okay, more and more good things will come to your life. Okay, you will be very successful one of the day, and I believe I can do it. I can become CBM this year. I can achieve my F2D next month, and then one day in the world, I will have one. I will have more. 1 year, I can get more than 5 million of income in forever. I believe I can more than 10 million in the forever. I believe. Do you believe? Okay, let us believe ourselves can achieve everything, and let us make all the miracle happen in our life together. All right. So this year, all right, we want to make our 2021 become a super crazy year. Okay, super crazy forever BOI year. All right, so wish everybody good luck. All right, thank you very much.
Wow.